Alright, today I'm going to show you how to make the Buldak spicy chicken ramen noodles. This is the stir-fried ramen noodles, really popular right now. Comes with Mr. Buldak on the cover, right there. And this is what it's supposed to look like, well, at least on the cover, the top of the ramen noodles. So, I'm going to go ahead and open this up, and we're going to get started with making the Buldak ramen noodles. So I have it right here. It comes with a lid. It says open here, but before I open the lid, I'm going to look on the side. It says cooking directions, open lid halfway and remove the 2 packets. Pour boiling water up to the inner line and then close the lid and let stand for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, drain all the water, add the sauce and flakes, stir well, and serve. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and pull this back halfway, and I'm going to pull out the seasonization packets from the ramen noodles and put this aside. And now I'm going to get some boiling water, and I'm going to pour it up into that line right there. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Let me go ahead and get the boiling water. All right, so I have the hot water that I'm going to pour in here. I have the noodles, the hot water's ready. So what I'm going to do is, according to the instructions, I'm going to go ahead and pour in the water to the line. You have to get another cup of water. Just pour it up to the line. Just pour it up to the line. What does it say also on the instructions? It says, pour the boiling water up to the inner line, close lid, and let stand for 4 minutes. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to close the lid. I'm going to take my chopsticks and let it sit for 4 minutes. All right, it's been about 4 minutes, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the lid. Just open the lid, and then right there, I'm going to drain the swamp or the water that's in here. So I'm going to get my potted plant and just go ahead. Don't drain it in your potted plant. That's not a good thing to do. I'm doing it because my plant needs some water. So I'm going to go ahead and drain this. I'm going to use chopsticks, carefully drain it. Put the water down in there. Ooh. So drain the water. And then next, I'm going to go ahead and add the seasonation mix right there. And then I'm going to go ahead and add the flavoration packet. And I'm going to pour it in like this. Pour it in like that. And then put away this. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my chopsticks that I have. I'm just going to stir it. And the key with stirring it is to get a little bit clockwise, a little bit of counterclockwise, up, down, left, right, BA, BA, select start, right here. And I have all of these right here. Here is the Buldak ramen noodles in all of its glory right here. See how it looks right here? Only thing I can say about this is absolute